Investor Monkey just inherited a bunch of bananas and wants to buy properties. But he's terrified. He sees all these houses and has no idea which ones are actually good investments. He doesn't know what they're really worth, where the market's going, or how to manage tenants when he gets them. But here's the thing, he doesn't have to figure it out alone, because artificial intelligence, or AI, is now helping real estate investors make smarter decisions faster than ever before. So what exactly is AI doing in real estate? Well, think of AI as a super smart monkey assistant that never sleeps. It's basically a computer system that learns from tons of data and then uses that knowledge to help you make decisions. In real estate, AI is doing some seriously wild stuff. First up, finding properties. You know how Investor Monkey has to scroll through thousands of listings and try to figure out which ones might be gold mines? AI does that instantly. It analyzes hundreds of data points from previous sales, neighborhood trends, crime rates, school quality, job growth, and basically anything that could make a property valuable. Then it spots patterns that humans would totally miss. An AI system can scan entire markets and say, hey, this neighborhood's about to explode because a new subway line is coming. Companies like Intera are processing over 1,000 real estate transactions every single month, using AI to automatically discover properties, evaluate them, and manage them. That's the kind of advantage Investor Monkey needs. And he's not alone. Over 90% of real estate companies expect to use AI within the next 5 years. Next, AI is predicting prices with insane accuracy. Remember when property valuations were just someone's opinion based on comparing it to houses nearby? Those days are kind of gone now. Zillow uses AI to create something called Zestimate, which looks at millions of data points to estimate what a property is actually worth right now. AI evaluates crime rates, transportation, schools, pollution, weather patterns, and economic indicators all at once. It's like having a super knowledgeable appraiser who works for free and never gets tired. These automated valuation models, or AVMS, can even adjust prices in real time when market conditions shift. Investor Monkey can now see if a property is undervalued or overpriced in seconds, which means he can make offers smarter. He can spot deals before other investors even notice them. The AI removes human bias and emotion from the equation, which honestly makes better decisions overall. Then there's virtual tours. Previously, Investor Monkey would have to travel to every single property to see it in person. That takes time, money, and energy. But now, AI-powered virtual reality lets him walk through properties from his couch. Technology like Matterport creates 3D digital twins of properties using AI computer vision. He can explore a whole house in 360 degrees, check out the kitchen, walk through the bedrooms, look at the backyard, all without leaving home. This is especially amazing if he's investing in properties far away or buildings that aren't even finished yet. He saves crazy amounts of time. Now, once Investor Monkey actually buys properties, he needs to find tenants. That's where AI gets even more useful. Chatbots powered by artificial intelligence can screen thousands of leads instantly, asking questions and figuring out who's actually serious about renting. These bots never sleep and never miss details. They qualify leads, collect applications, and help sort through information that would take humans forever. Real estate screening. AI looks at credit scores, rental history, income, background checks, and all sorts of stuff to find reliable tenants. Investor Monkey suddenly has confidence that his properties won't turn into disasters with bad renters. AI also handles maintenance like a boss. Imagine if your building could predict when something's about to break before it actually does. That's predictive maintenance. AI systems monitor HVAC systems, plumbing, electrical wiring, and appliances, learning their patterns and spotting when they're about to fail. Property managers get alerts days or weeks in advance, so they can fix things before expensive emergencies happen. This saves money, keeps tenants happy, and reduces downtime. Investor Monkey's properties stay in better shape without him having to stress constantly. Finally, there's document handling. Real estate involves mountains of paperwork. leases, contracts, agreements, compliance documents. This stuff is boring and error-prone when people do it manually. But generative AI can read through thick lease agreements in seconds, summarize the key points, and flag anything suspicious or non-compliant. It catches mistakes, inconsistencies, and missing signatures that could cost investor monkeys serious money. It's like having a lawyer on speed dial who never makes typos. If any monkeys are confused, remember that AI in real estate is not replacing investors. It's basically a tool that does the boring, repetitive, number-crunching work so investor monkey can focus on strategy and making actual deals. AI doesn't guarantee profits, but it sure makes smarter decisions way more accessible. Over 60% of real estate companies are already using AI, and that number's going to skyrocket. So the next time you hear about an investor crushing it in the market, there's a good chance an AI assistant is helping them behind the scenes. Thank you so much for watching, and please let me know in the comments what you'd like me to explain next. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.